Good morning children, how are you? I hope all are good. Now we are going to learn computer revision 4th standard. This is a pattern paper or question paper. First main is choose the correct answer, and second main match the following, and third main write true or false. Fourth main fill in the blanks. Fifth main name the following, and sixth main answer the following, and seventh main the difference between, and guess who I am and drawing. Okay children, now we are going to learn how to. Now we are going to revise the portion children. Start. Children's first lesson, input output device, computer system. Input output device. A computer is an electronic machine. It is the work on electricity. It is work on electricity. It is the magic box on the computer. Where computer job. Computers are where conform effects of only. They are between two every surrounded of those schools and hospitals and airport, etc. The next one, input device. Input device is the lesson number 1. Input output device, computer system. Input output device, computer system. Input device, output device, and control processing unit. Computer system. What is computer system, children? Computer is the electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. It is work on electricity. It is very important and export machines on a computer. It is very useful to schools, hospitals, and airports, etc. And the computer system is a L2 hardware and software. The physical part of the computer can be called hardware. The software set as helps the hardware work on a machine. The hardware and software is without software cannot work. And computer hardware and software cannot work on software. And next, input device. Next is input device. The device enter the instructions are called input device. The device enter the instructions is called input device. And next, output device. Output device. Output device are used to display the data and input and output. The computers are result given the processing monitor printer is the speaker is example to output device. What is output device, children? Output device is used to display the data and computer to given the result of the processing monitor printer of the speaker, example for output device. And next, central processing unit. The central processing unit is the computer process of the. Whenever you use the computer, the CPU is all the CPU is take all the process control on the system. It is a process. Next, second lesson, memory and storage. Second lesson, memory and storage. Internal memory, external memory, and storage memory. Internal memory, external memory, and storage memory. Next, internal memory. It is called primary memory and main memory. It is the memory of storage data, instructions, the computer working. The data storage in internal memory eraser when the computer is turned off. It is the always erase to access the program from the internal memory, as it is main storage of primary and random and RAM. Random and RAM. Internal is the primary or main memory. It is the storage data and internal with the computer working. The data is memory is as the main computer terms of the access and programs. And next, external memory. External memory. Next children, external memory. External memory. The external memory, the storage information for longer period data is lost in the memory. It is the external memory. Its internal storage, the computer is less. It is also called secondary memory. It is also called secondary memory. The external memory information for a longer period. The external memory information for a longer period data. It is the lost in the memory when a computer turns. The external memory, because of internal storage is computer is very less. It will take very less storage of the computer. It is also called secondary memory. It is also called secondary memory. And third one, storage device. Third one, storage device. The storage device is main ability to hold data and information. The storage device is very ability to store and data and information. In our daily life, we can use the memory storage. In our daily life, we can use the memory storage device like a cupboard, book, shelf, and refers, holding, etc. And when we run a program, it is the copied from the secondary storage. When you run a program, it is copied from the secondary storage into the internal memory. It takes more time to access data from the secondary memory as compared to normal store memory. Compared to internal and normal memory. Next, it is the hard and disk. The disk storage information for the hard disk, it is the fixed inside the CPU. Hard disk is the fixed inside of CPU. It is the multiple disk and which functions of a made up of the hard. And CD also, it is the standard for the output and option storage. It is hardware and software graphics. It is hardware and software text and graphics and images. CD is the need place to device located in the CPU box. Okay children, now understand the external it is used to storage the information and portable for the longer period data is not lodged in the external memory, and it is also called secondary memory. It is also called secondary memory, and storage means ability to hold data and information when we run a program copied from the secondary storage of the internal memory. It is run and secondary storage of the internal memory. Next children, working with window. Working with window, features of window, starting window, files and folder, creating a file and creating a folder. Next children, what features of window? The first version of a window operating system. The first version of a window operating system, Windows 95. Windows 95 is the first version of Windows. Since the many versions of Windows have been, the most popular Windows version is Windows 98. Windows is very used. You can give commands with the help of mouse and keyboard typings. And it is the first version is 1990 Windows 95. The latest version is Windows 10. It is the latest version of Windows 10. It is very used. It is very used to give a commands and helps and typing. And next, starting window. Next, starting window. The computer is the machine. It is connected to the required interactions for you and program of computer operating system. It is the main of the process of a CPU, and window graphics used to interface of between computer is useful. Next, files and folder. Files and folder. File. It is the collections of information storage. Files is the collection of information storage. Some storage device such a hard disk and CD, DVD. Some storage it will be hard disk, CD and DVD in pen drive has keep important papers in a file. Similarly, its information in a computer is saved in a form of the files and given file name and helps used to find a files and folders. Folder has been keep the computer. It is the cabinet when we keep the files. A folders can hold other folders as files as a folder. Within folders is called subfolder. Folder is called subfolder. Creating file. Creating file. Next one, creating file. Creating file is most. Next one is a creating file. Creating file is most common way to create a file. Open Notepad and it is start with a blank page. Open Notepad and it is start with a blank page. Start typing on the blank page. After complete your work, save and work world at button. Save options and type the file name and save a diagonal box. This created file is find the shortcut to create a new file and Control N. And next, creating a folder. Next one, creating a folder. Clicking the right mouse button once in a blank area of a desktop. Clicking the right side button on once in a blank area of the button and select the new options. A sub options appear. Click on the folder options and type the name folder, the cursor options and create the enter key. A new folder will created. Okay children, now understand now. Next we are going to learn fourth lesson, touch paint. Okay children. Next children, touch paint. How to open text paint and paint tool using file tool, line tool and saving tools. Okay children. Next, first one, how to open text paint. First, you start all the programs, touch paint and touch paint window. You can open touch paint. You will see the welcome screen on touch paint. After the welcome screen, you will see the opening screen of touch paint. Opening screen of touch paint. It will get tools and subfolder and colors. We have fixed colors and choose the colors, and it will get 14 different tools. It will be have 14 different tools on your touch paint. And let's learn some of the tools of the touch paint. Okay children, once again I will repeat you. Start all programs. window. It will be TouchPaint will open. TouchPaint is the free software. It is the painting, drawing and more about TouchPaint. Along with very useful of painting. Next one, painting tools. Next one, painting tools. Whenever we start a TouchPaint, the paint tool is selected by different. It is used to paint and draw any other like similar of brush tools. MS Paint also you can use the same way of in TouchPaint children use it to draw free hand images and will select versions, brush, shapes present of sub toolbox. And next bring the mouse pointer to draw the area and shape of the changes and select the most few drawings and small behinds of mountains shown in your drawing area. Next we are using fine tools. Using time whenever you use and select the different, it is used to paint. It draw anything that you like. Whenever you use and draw anything, pick of your like. Okay, children, and it is a similar brush tool. Let's learn few things about the toolbox. Right side and drawing, canvas, everything. Okay, children. Line to line, saving tool. First, you learn line tool. Line tool is a used to draw straight line and straight pattern. Straight line and straight pattern. It's work on similar paint tool. It is work on similar paint tool. The line tool has the small brush shapes. In the sub toolbox has to paint the tools. With using paint tool, you can see the images of the drawing. Very movements on the other part using line. Okay, children. Next we are going to saving tool. Next, saving tools. The paint provides a very easy method to save work using the saving tool. There is no need to file name TouchPaint. Save your files as the given file name. The confirms of the successful saved your file. To open the always